you, friend. I love you, friend.
I love you more, friend.
And I love this video. This was mine too. Oh my word. I love it.
You can stop. Hey, yo, freaks! Oh, no, I want to change my YouTube name.
Hey, yo, freaks!
No, the problem is I was on Twitter and I saw what people use the word freak for on Twitter and I was like, yeah, I am changing my name.
But, can we go further, please? Yeah, yo, freaks!
One, two, three, go.
Hey, yo, freaks! Yeah! Yes.
At this point, welcome to our YouTube channel. Because Romeo is back and he's literally...
I'm here to stay, darling.
He's not going
but it's so
anywhere.
blame.
Okay, Africans come through. Yeah, guys, today we are doing the LGBTQ tag. I got 15 tag questions. I'm gonna ask him. He's gonna tell us what he think about the questions, and I'm also gonna kind of give in my input on them. Even though I'm kind of new to the scene, I am new to the scene. I only came into the scene this year.
Okay, it's fine.
It's not like I was in the closet, but
no, I
now that I'm
understand.
exploring myself. You know what I mean? Yeah, and really,
I'm still in the closet, guys. Still in the closet, guys. No, man. Why are you doing this to me?
No, why is your phone? Literally 15
no,
seconds, then your phone.
You start talking and then you leave my phone there.
No, but it's 15 seconds, then your phone is loud.
Let's go.
It's a problem. So,
whose phone is that?
It's your phone, but it's really a problem because now every 15
it's a problem for our YouTube channel.
No, it's a problem for me because now every 15 seconds I must give you your phone.
So then you must use your other phone too.
No, I'm not using my other phone because we're playing the song with the other phone.
Oh my god.
Period, Romeo. Anyway, and we play
his
music,
just
but
arguing about my phone, but it's fine.
No, we play his music, but the music is so I'm gonna play mine. Anyway, your first question. Wow. So, what do you identify as?
Sorry?
What do you identify as?
Bottom, but I'm a male.
That was not how I was asking it.
What?
Get straight. But no, get into it. You already said what he is.
I'm gay. I was supposed to say I'm gay.
No, there. We're not going into deep. Okay. Me too, guys. How did you discover your sexuality?
I don't know. I really don't know. I just came out and here I am. On primary school, I was like Romatina the Queen, but now I'm Romeo. Period, darling. You know, you have your stages, man. You have your stages.
What was the first thing you told? I don't know.
Everybody knew.
Yeah, honestly, it's describe how it was like coming out.
Okay. Is this yours or mine?
It's mine. I literally have.
Oh, do you have them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Even the cold ones.
Okay.
How was
Next question. Next question.
How was your coming out this question?
It was okay. I didn't come out. I was there.
What is one question you hate? Oh yeah, what is the one question you hate people asking about their sexuality?
Yeah, I don't know. Probably are you bottom or top?
Yeah, literally.
Man.
One question what's up? No.
Don't ask. Come find out.
Let's get it on. What's up?
Okay. I don't want this to be a long video.
It's not. It's only the same questions by number 7 already.
Okay, go.
Do you have something to go?
No,
7?
I just don't want the video to be so long, man.
But the one we did wasn't long. We were eating, that was 7 minutes. And I can edit and make it shorter if I need to. I'm just gonna rock it. What's your favorite thing about the LGBTQ community? That who can be themselves?
Some of us can stand together and be friends.
Yeah.
Some of us can support each other in life.
With no
Some
drama
of us,
whatsoever.
yes, some of us can compliment each other. Some of us can uplift each other.
Without feeling some type of
Yes.
way and really mean what you say.
Yes. So please don't come for each other. We're here. And we are here to stay.
Literally, guys, like
Must
this
stand
is-
together.
The gay community is already small, so us going against
Oh,
others,
it's
you know,
small.
We should. You'd be surprised. You'd be surprised.
I'm having you now. Tomorrow I find out my ex also had. Oh.
It's this small, guys.
Yes.
It's this small. You. Cannot
But
be
we good,
done.
we good.
I've
Oh yes.
been to one Stargazer, but
Yeah,
that's-
no,
I
you
don't
went to
like-
Stargazer.
Yeah, it's for old people. Exactly. I didn't like it.
I went to 0 to 1, darling.
No, but we were gonna go there, but it was too far.
Okay, fine. Let's go.
What's your favorite LGBT?
We also wanted to go after Green Wasteland.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
No, but someone was. On that day, so we came to Grand. So he was at Grand West, and then we came to them and da 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 da. But this one was feeling himself. Who's your favorite LGBTQ icon, advocate, or celebrity?
Some Gaga! Some easy, I love you!
Representing.
I love some easy, guys. Guys. I love some easy. I'm my role model there.
Yeah. Have you been in a relationship, and how did you meet?
I've been in relationships. My first boyfriend. I had a second one that's from Cape Town. Our oldest Grace. And then my third one. We broke up recently.
So we only had two boyfriends.
Where's the paper towel? Go, please, fix the paper towel. I need.
Paris, didn't they tell you that I was a savage?
Where's the paper towel?
It's they. You didn't. Someone must open their eyes. Me. Yeah, guys, it's a very sad moment.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Your phone's done. But if you only had two boyfriends.
I was in 3 relationships.
I was in 17 relationships. 17. No, I'm kidding, guys. 17 entanglements. What's up? What's up? Have you ever faced discrimination? Guys, if you're gay, honestly, that's what you go through. I think I know the answer to this, and I'll answer for you because LGBTQ movie or show.
Pose.
Oh, you know what's up? So he like can watch Pose and everything, and I can't because like I don't have it and da 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 da. And he's supposed to bring it. He was like he's gonna bring it so we can watch it together, but no, he's not. He wants to get all the good stuff by himself.
First of all, I must get a laptop declaration by CPS. It's too much admin. But first, it's Pose, Electra, House of Abundance, and Mother Blanca, House of
What about RuPaul?
House of Evangelista, and then it's RuPaul's Drag Race. Zagagaga.
Sup? The most ridiculous thing you've heard about the LGBTQ plus community.
Ridiculous thing, I can't think of anything.
It's not even good.
The most ridiculous thing is
This is literally.
the people always think one thing.
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
Nah.
Yeah. The LGBTQ plus slur you hate the most. You know, like how like the words that they use to like tease gay people, but the word fag.
Yeah, like the word fag. But my life goes on, darling. I'm not here for you.
Exactly. And this on something you'd like to tell the world about the LGBTQI community.
LGBTQ community is authentic.
Period.
They are not here to show people what they can be, but they show people how they must live, how they must have self-confidence about being themselves. Like RuPaul said, if you can't love yourself, how the hell are you gonna love somebody else? Can I get an amen?
Amen! Thanks.
I love you, friend. I love you,
I
friend.
love you more, friend.
And I love this video. This was
my favorite
mine
video.
too. Oh my word. I love this video. So yeah guys, bye.
Thank you for watching.